Career counseling for pharmacists. Dear pharmacists, pharmacy is a multidisciplinary profession in which a pharmacist can work in a vast variety of departments. Some of them are 1. As hospital pharmacist, 2. As clinical pharmacist, 3. As retail pharmacist, 4. Industrial pharmacist is production pharmacist, 5. Industrial pharmacist is QC quality control officer, 6. Industrial pharmacist is QA quality assurance officer, 7. Industrial pharmacist is microbiologist, 8. Industrial pharmacist is R&D research and development officer, 9. As community pharmacist, 10. Pharmacist is pharmaceutical sales representative, 11. Industrial pharmacist is drug regulatory affairs officer, 12. As research pharmacist, 13. As academic pharmacist, 14. As consultant pharmacist, 15. Pharmacist is drug inspector or drug regulator, 16. Pharmacist at drug distribution center, 17. Pharmacist at medical device sale points. Details of each of the job kind are as under. 1. Hospital pharmacist. A hospital pharmacist plays a crucial role in the healthcare system by ensuring the safe and effective use of medications within a hospital or healthcare facility. Their responsibilities encompass a range of duties related to pharmaceutical care. Here is a list of common duties and job descriptions of a hospital pharmacist. 1. Medication dispensing. Hospital pharmacists are responsible for accurately dispensing medications prescribed by physicians or other healthcare professionals. They review medication orders, ensure the correct dosage, and provide appropriate instructions to patients or nursing staff. 2. Medication management. Pharmacists are responsible for managing medication inventories within the hospital. They order, receive, and store medications, ensuring proper storage conditions and inventory control. They also monitor medication usage patterns and recommend adjustments to optimize stock levels and minimize waste. 3. Prescription verification. Pharmacists review and verify prescriptions to ensure accuracy, appropriateness, and compatibility with the patient's medical history and other medications. They may consult with prescribers regarding medication choices, dosages, and potential drug interactions or allergies. 4. Patient counseling. Hospital pharmacists provide medication counseling to patients and their caregivers. They explain medication instructions, potential side effects, and precautions to ensure proper administration and adherence to therapy. They may also offer advice on lifestyle modifications, diet, or other considerations to enhance medication effectiveness. 5. Medication safety. Pharmacists are responsible for promoting medication safety practices within the hospital. They participate in medication error prevention programs, conduct medication safety audits, and implement strategies to reduce the risk of adverse drug events. They may also contribute to the development and maintenance of hospital policies and protocols related to medication safety. 6. Clinical pharmacy services. Many hospital pharmacists are involved in clinical pharmacy services, collaborating with healthcare teams to optimize medication therapy. They participate in patient rounds, provide drug information, conduct medication reconciliations, and contribute to medication-related decision-making, such as dose adjustments or therapeutic substitutions. 7. Drug information and education. Hospital pharmacists serve as a valuable resource for healthcare professionals, providing drug information and education. They stay updated with the latest research and developments in pharmacotherapy and disseminate relevant information to medical staff, nurses, and other healthcare providers. 8. Adverse drug reaction monitoring. Pharmacists monitor and report adverse drug reactions (ADR) to the appropriate authorities. They collect and analyze data on medication-related incidents, collaborate with the healthcare team to mitigate risks, and contribute to continuous quality improvement initiatives. 9. Quality assurance. Hospital pharmacists contribute to quality assurance programs within the hospital. They ensure compliance with regulatory standards, participate in medication-related audits and inspections, and contribute to the development of medication-related policies and procedures. 10. Research and evaluation. Some hospital pharmacists are involved in research and evaluation projects within the healthcare setting. They may conduct studies to evaluate medication efficacy, safety, or cost-effectiveness, and contribute to the advancement of pharmaceutical knowledge and practice. These responsibilities may vary depending on the specific hospital setting, the size of the facility, and the pharmacist's role within the healthcare team. Nonetheless, the overall goal of a hospital pharmacist is to ensure safe and optimal medication use for patients within the hospital. 2. Clinical pharmacist. A clinical pharmacist is a specialized healthcare professional who works in a clinical setting, such as a hospital, clinic, or healthcare facility. Their primary role is to provide direct patient care and optimize medication therapy outcomes. Here are some of the duties, roles, and job descriptions of a clinical pharmacist. 1. Medication therapy management. Clinical pharmacists are responsible for assessing and managing medication therapy for individual patients. They review patient medical records, including laboratory results and medication histories, to identify and resolve any drug-related problems. They collaborate with healthcare providers to develop and implement comprehensive medication treatment plans. 2. Drug information and education. Clinical pharmacists play a crucial role in providing drug information and education to healthcare professionals, patients, and their families. They ensure that healthcare providers are aware of the latest medications, their indications, contraindications, dosages, and potential drug interactions. They also educate patients about their medications, including proper usage, potential side effects, and the importance of adherence to the prescribed treatment plan. 3. Clinical rounds and consultations. Clinical pharmacists actively participate in clinical rounds and interdisciplinary meetings with healthcare teams. They provide expert advice and recommendations on medication therapy, drug selection, dosage adjustments, and monitoring parameters. They collaborate with physicians, nurses, and other healthcare professionals to ensure safe and effective medication use. 4. Pharmacokinetic monitoring. Clinical pharmacists are skilled in pharmacokinetics, the study of how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated by the body. They monitor drug concentrations in patients' blood and adjust medication doses based on therapeutic drug monitoring to achieve optimal therapeutic outcomes while minimizing side effects. 5. Adverse drug event monitoring. Clinical pharmacists are responsible for identifying, reporting, and preventing adverse drug events (ADS). They actively monitor patients for any potential medication-related problems, such as allergies, adverse reactions, or drug interactions. They work closely with healthcare providers to manage and mitigate these events. 6. Research and quality improvement. Clinical pharmacists often engage in research activities to advance the field of pharmacy and improve patient care. They may participate in clinical trials, pharmacoeconomic studies, or other research initiatives. They also contribute to quality improvement projects, such as developing and implementing medication safety protocols or medication utilization evaluations. 7. Medication safety. Clinical pharmacists promote medication safety by conducting medication reconciliations, medication error reporting, and implementing strategies to prevent medication-related errors. They collaborate with healthcare teams to ensure appropriate medication selection, dosing, and administration techniques. 8. Patient counseling and adherence. Clinical pharmacists play a vital role in patient counseling and improving medication adherence. They educate patients on the importance of taking medications as prescribed, potential side effects to watch for, and strategies to improve adherence, such as using pill organizers or reminder systems. Overall, the role of a clinical pharmacist is multifaceted and dynamic. They work as integral members of the healthcare team, ensuring safe and effective medication use, optimizing patient outcomes, and promoting the rational use of medications. 3. Retail Pharmacist. As a retail pharmacist, your primary responsibility is to provide pharmaceutical care and services to customers or patients who visit a retail pharmacy. Your duties and job description may include the following. 1. Dispensing medications. Your main duty is to accurately dispense prescription medications to patients according to the instructions provided by healthcare professionals. This involves interpreting prescriptions, verifying dosage instructions, and ensuring the correct medication and strength are provided. 2. Patient counseling. You will offer advice and counseling to patients on the proper use of medications, potential side effects, and any precautions or interactions they should be aware of. This includes providing information on dosage, administration, storage, and potential drug interactions. 3. Medication management. You will oversee the inventory of medications, ensuring an adequate supply is maintained and expired or recalled medications are properly disposed of. You may also be responsible for ordering and restocking medications as needed. 4. Prescription processing. You will receive and review prescriptions, ensuring they are valid and complete. This involves contacting healthcare providers for clarification if necessary, and entering prescription details into the pharmacy's computer system. 5. Medication safety and quality assurance. As a retail pharmacist, you play a crucial role in ensuring medication safety. This includes verifying the accuracy of prescriptions, checking for potential drug interactions or allergies, and implementing quality control procedures to prevent medication errors. 6. Health monitoring. You may provide services such as blood pressure monitoring, blood glucose testing, and cholesterol screenings to help patients monitor their health and manage chronic conditions. You may also offer advice on over-the-counter products for common ailments. 7. Collaboration with healthcare professionals. You will communicate and collaborate with healthcare providers, including doctors and nurses, to ensure optimal patient care. This may involve consulting on medication choices, dosages, and potential interactions. 8. Health promotion. You may participate in health promotion campaigns or initiatives within the community, offering educational programs on topics such as medication adherence, smoking cessation, or general health and wellness. 9. Compliance with regulations. As a retail pharmacist, you must adhere to all relevant pharmacy laws, regulations, and ethical standards. This includes maintaining patient confidentiality, ensuring proper record keeping, and complying with controlled substance regulations. 10. Administrative tasks. You will perform various administrative duties, such as maintaining patient profiles, processing insurance claims, and managing pharmacy billing. You may also be responsible for supervising pharmacy technicians and other support staff. It's important to note that specific duties and job descriptions may vary depending on the retail pharmacy setting, the size of the pharmacy, and local regulations. 4. Industrial pharmacist is production pharmacist. A production pharmacist or production officer in the pharmaceutical industry plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe and efficient production of pharmaceutical products. Their duties, job description, and responsibilities may include 1. Manufacturing operations. overseeing the entire manufacturing process of pharmaceutical products, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards, company policies, and good manufacturing practices (GMP). Planning and coordinating production schedules to meet supply demands while optimizing resources and maintaining cost efficiency. Monitoring and maintaining equipment and machinery to ensure proper functioning and adherence to quality standards. Collaborating with cross-functional teams such as quality control, quality assurance, engineering, and supply chain to ensure smooth production operations. Identifying and implementing process improvements to enhance productivity, efficiency, and product quality. 2. Batch production documentation. Preparing and reviewing batch manufacturing records, standard operating procedures (SOPs), and work instructions. Documenting all production activities accurately and in compliance with regulatory requirements. Conducting in-process checks and reviews to ensure compliance with batch records and product specifications. Investigating and addressing any deviations, non-conformances, or discrepancies during production. 3. Quality control and assurance. Collaborating with the quality control team to perform in-process and finished product quality checks, ensuring compliance with specifications and standards. Conducting and coordinating the sampling, testing, and analysis of raw materials, intermediates, and finished products. Participating in investigations related to out-of-specification (OOS) results, deviations, and customer complaints. Implementing and maintaining a robust change control system for manufacturing processes and equipment. 4. Regulatory compliance. Staying updated with current regulations, guidelines, and industry best practices related to pharmaceutical manufacturing. Ensuring compliance with relevant regulatory bodies such as the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) or other regulatory agencies. Assisting in regulatory inspections and audits by providing required documentation, addressing queries, and ensuring adherence to CGMP guidelines. 5. Training and team management. Providing training and guidance to manufacturing personnel on production processes, safety practices, and quality standards. Leading and supervising a team of production technicians and operators, ensuring their adherence to standard operating procedures and safety protocols. Conducting performance evaluations, setting goals, and identifying training needs for team members. 6. Continuous improvement. Actively participating in continuous improvement initiatives, such as lean manufacturing or Six Sigma, to streamline processes, reduce waste, and improve overall efficiency. Identifying opportunities for automation, technology upgrades, and process optimization to enhance productivity and reduce errors. It's important to note that the specific duties and responsibilities of a production pharmacist or production officer may vary depending on the size and type of the pharmaceutical company, as well as the specific job title and organizational structure. 6. Industrial pharmacist is quality control officer. The role of a quality control officer in the pharmaceutical industry is crucial to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. Their primary responsibility is to oversee and enforce quality control procedures and standards throughout the manufacturing process. Here is a list of duties, job descriptions, and responsibilities commonly associated with the role of a quality control officer in the pharmaceutical industry. 1. Quality control procedures. Develop, implement, and maintain quality control procedures and guidelines to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, industry standards, and good manufacturing practices (GMP). 2. Testing and analysis. Perform various quality control tests and analyses on raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products. This may include physical, chemical, and microbiological testing to assess the identity, potency, purity, and safety of the pharmaceutical products. 3. Documentation and reporting. Prepare and maintain accurate and detailed records of quality control tests, procedures, and results. Generate reports summarizing the findings and provide recommendations for corrective actions, if necessary. 4. Equipment calibration and maintenance. Ensure that all quality control equipment is calibrated, validated, and properly maintained. This involves monitoring and scheduling routine maintenance, troubleshooting equipment issues, and ensuring equipment is in compliance with relevant standards. 5. Compliance with regulations. Stay updated with current regulatory requirements, such as those set by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) or other relevant regulatory bodies. Ensure that all quality control activities comply with these regulations. 6. Standard Operating Procedures (SOPs). Develop and revise standard operating procedures for quality control processes. Train laboratory personnel on these procedures and ensure adherence to established protocols. 7. Investigation and troubleshooting. Conduct investigations into deviations, out of specification results, and quality-related issues. Identify the root cause of the problems and propose corrective and preventive actions to prevent their recurrence. 8. Quality audits. Participate in internal and external quality audits to ensure compliance with GMP, company policies, and regulatory standards. Address any audit findings and implement corrective actions as needed. 9. Cross-functional collaboration. Collaborate with other departments, such as production, research and development, and regulatory affairs, to ensure seamless integration of quality control activities across the organization. Provide technical support and guidance to other teams when necessary. 10. Continuous improvement. Identify opportunities for process optimization, quality enhancement, and cost reduction within the quality control function. Propose and implement continuous improvement initiatives to drive efficiency and effectiveness. 11. Training and development. Stay updated with advancements in quality control methodologies, techniques, and technologies. Provide training and mentorship to junior staff members and promote a culture of quality awareness and compliance within the organization. These duties, job descriptions, and responsibilities may vary depending on the specific requirements of the pharmaceutical company and the level of seniority of the quality control officer. 7. Industrial Pharmacist is Quality Assurance Officer. As a quality assurance officer in the pharmaceutical industry, your role is crucial in ensuring that all products and processes adhere to regulatory standards and quality guidelines. Here are some typical duties, job descriptions, and responsibilities associated with this role. 1. Quality System Management. Develop, implement, and maintain the quality management system in compliance with applicable regulations and guidelines. Establish and review quality policies, procedures, and documentation to ensure adherence to good manufacturing practices, GMP, and other relevant standards. Conduct internal audits to assess compliance and identify areas for improvement. 2. Compliance and regulatory affairs. Stay updated with regulatory requirements, guidelines, and industry best practices. Ensure compliance with regulatory submissions, including documentation, reporting, and record keeping. Participate in regulatory inspections and audits, addressing any findings or observations. 3. Batch record review. Review and approve batch records and associated documentation, ensuring compliance with specifications, procedures, and regulations. Verify accuracy and completeness of data, calculations, and records. Investigate and resolve any deviations or non-conformances identified during batch record review. 4. Change control and deviation management. Assess and approve change control requests related to manufacturing processes, equipment, or facilities, ensuring compliance with quality standards. Investigate deviations, root cause analysis, and implement corrective and preventive actions (CAPAs) to address issues and prevent recurrence. 5. Quality risk management. Conduct risk assessments to identify and evaluate potential quality risks. Develop and implement risk mitigation strategies and controls. Monitor and review risk management activities to ensure effectiveness and continuous improvement. 6. Training and documentation. Develop and deliver training programs on quality-related topics, GMP guidelines, and company procedures. Maintain and update training records to ensure compliance. Review and approve standard operating procedures, SOPs, and other documentation related to quality assurance. 7. Supplier and vendor management. Evaluate and qualify suppliers and vendors based on their quality systems and capabilities. Perform supplier audits and monitor supplier performance to ensure adherence to quality standards. Review and approve supplier-related documentation, such as certificates of analysis and quality agreements. 8. Continuous improvement. Identify opportunities for process optimization, efficiency improvement, and cost reduction. Participate in quality improvement projects and initiatives. Collect and analyze quality metrics and generate reports for management review. These duties and responsibilities may vary depending on the specific requirements and organizational structure of the pharmaceutical company. However, the core objective remains the same: ensuring compliance with regulations, maintaining product quality, and safeguarding patient safety. 8. Industrial Pharmacist is R&D, Research and Development Officer. As a research and development R&D officer in the pharmaceutical industry, your role is crucial in driving innovation, advancing scientific knowledge, and developing new pharmaceutical products and processes. Your duties, job description, and responsibilities may include: 1. Research planning. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to define research goals, develop research plans, and establish timelines and budgets for projects. Identify areas for potential research and development. 2. Experiment design. Design and execute experiments to test hypotheses, evaluate new compounds, or optimize existing products and processes. Ensure experiments are conducted in compliance with applicable regulations and industry standards. 3. Data analysis. Collect, analyze, and interpret experimental data using statistical methods and software. Draw meaningful conclusions and provide recommendations based on the results. 4. Literature review. Stay updated with the latest scientific literature, patents, and technological advancements relevant to the pharmaceutical industry. Evaluate the feasibility of incorporating new technologies or methodologies into R&D projects. 5. Formulation development. Contribute to the development and optimization of pharmaceutical formulations, including dosage forms, drug delivery systems, and manufacturing processes. Conduct stability studies to assess product shelf life. 6. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with regulatory guidelines and requirements throughout the R&D process. Collaborate with regulatory affairs teams to prepare and submit relevant documentation, such as investigational new drug IND applications or new drug applications (NDAs). 7. Project management. Coordinate and manage multiple projects simultaneously, ensuring timely completion within budgetary constraints. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, such as scientists, engineers, and quality control personnel, to align efforts and achieve project milestones. 8. Intellectual property. Identify and protect intellectual property generated through R&D activities, including inventions, patents, and trade secrets. Collaborate with legal teams to file patent applications and maintain confidentiality of proprietary information. 9. Collaboration and communication. Foster collaboration and knowledge sharing within the R&D team and across departments. Effectively communicate research findings, project updates, and recommendations to stakeholders, including senior management, regulatory agencies, and external partners. 10. Quality assurance. Ensure compliance with good laboratory practices (GLP) and good manufacturing practices (GMP) to maintain the integrity and reliability of research activities. Participate in quality control activities, such as method validation and equipment qualification. 11. Continuous improvement. Identify opportunities for process improvement and innovation within the R&D function. Implement best practices, novel technologies, and streamlined workflows to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. 12. Training and development. Stay updated with advancements in scientific knowledge, technological tools, and industry practices through continuous learning. Train and mentor junior staff members, fostering their professional growth and development. These responsibilities may vary depending on the specific organization, scope of R&D projects, and the stage of the pharmaceutical product life cycle. However, they provide a general overview of the duties and expectations for an R&D officer in the pharmaceutical industry. 9. Community pharmacist. A community pharmacist, also known as a retail pharmacist or a community pharmacy practitioner, plays a vital role in the healthcare system. They work in community pharmacies or retail settings, providing direct patient care and dispensing medications. Here are some of the duties, job description, and responsibilities of a community pharmacist. 1. Medication dispensing. Community pharmacists are responsible for accurately dispensing prescription medications to patients. They review prescriptions, check for drug interactions, and ensure the correct dosage and instructions are provided. 2. Patient counseling. Community pharmacists provide medication counseling to patients, ensuring they understand how to take their medications properly. They educate patients on potential side effects, drug interactions, and precautions to be taken. They also offer advice on over-the-counter medications and self-care measures. 3. Prescription verification. Pharmacists verify the validity and accuracy of prescription orders. They confirm that the prescription is appropriate for the patient's condition, review the dosage instructions, and make any necessary clarifications with the prescriber. 4. Medication management. Community pharmacists assist patients in managing their medications effectively. They help patients create medication schedules, organize pill boxes, and provide guidance on proper storage and disposal of medications. 5. Patient monitoring. Pharmacists monitor patients' medication therapy to ensure its effectiveness and safety. They may conduct medication therapy management (MTM) services, assess medication adherence, and collaborate with healthcare providers to optimize treatment outcomes. 6. Drug information. Community pharmacists serve as a valuable resource for both patients and healthcare professionals. They provide accurate and up-to-date information about medications, including drug interactions, side effects, and contraindications. They may also provide guidance on non-pharmacological treatments and lifestyle modifications. 7. Health promotion. Pharmacists play a role in promoting public health by providing information on disease prevention, immunizations, and screenings. They may offer health and wellness programs, smoking cessation counseling, and advice on managing chronic conditions. 8. Medication safety. Community pharmacists ensure the safe and appropriate use of medications. They conduct medication safety checks, review potential drug allergies, and assess medication profiles to minimize adverse drug reactions. They also play a role in reporting medication errors and adverse events. 9. Collaborative care. Community pharmacists work closely with other healthcare professionals, including physicians, nurses, and allied healthcare providers. They collaborate to optimize patient care, provide medication recommendations, and participate in interdisciplinary healthcare teams. 10. Regulatory compliance. Pharmacists are responsible for adhering to legal and ethical guidelines related to medication dispensing, privacy, and confidentiality. They maintain accurate records, handle controlled substances appropriately, and comply with pharmacy regulations and standards. These responsibilities may vary based on the specific practice setting, but community pharmacists play a crucial role in ensuring safe and effective medication use, promoting health and wellness, and providing valuable patient care services in the community. 10. Pharmacist as pharmaceutical sales representative. As a pharmacist working as a pharmaceutical sales representative, your role combines your pharmaceutical knowledge and expertise with sales and marketing skills. Your primary responsibility is to promote and sell pharmaceutical products to healthcare professionals, including physicians, hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies. Here are some common duties, job descriptions, and responsibilities associated with this role. 1. Product promotion. Present and promote pharmaceutical products to healthcare professionals, providing them with comprehensive information about the product's features, benefits, and usage. This involves conducting product demonstrations, explaining clinical data, and highlighting the value proposition of the product. 2. Relationship building. Establish and maintain strong relationships with healthcare professionals, including physicians, pharmacists, and other key decision makers. This involves regular visits to healthcare facilities, attending conferences, and networking events to build rapport and trust. 3. Market analysis. Stay informed about the latest developments in the pharmaceutical industry, including competitor products, market trends, and regulatory changes. Conduct market research to identify potential opportunities and challenges and adjust sales strategies accordingly. 4. Territory management. Manage a designated sales territory, which may involve regular travel and meeting sales targets. Develop and execute a sales plan to maximize product reach and penetration in the assigned area. 5. Customer support. Provide ongoing support to healthcare professionals by addressing their queries, concerns, and requests related to the products. Ensure timely and accurate communication and follow-up to maintain customer satisfaction. 6. Training and education. Organize and conduct product training sessions for healthcare professionals, educating them about the proper use and administration of the pharmaceutical products. This may involve developing training materials and delivering presentations. 7. Sales reporting. Maintain accurate records of sales activities, including customer interactions, product samples distributed, and sales achieved. Generate regular reports for sales management, providing insights on market trends, competitor activities, and performance metrics. 8. Compliance. Adhere to all applicable laws, regulations, and industry guidelines while promoting and selling pharmaceutical products. This includes complying with ethical standards, maintaining patient confidentiality, and following all promotional guidelines set by regulatory authorities. It's important to note that the specific duties and responsibilities of a pharmacist working as a pharmaceutical sales representative may vary depending on the company, product portfolio, and regional requirements. However, the above-listed tasks provide a general overview of the key responsibilities associated with this role. 11. Industrial Pharmacist is Drug Regulatory Affairs Officer. The role of a regulatory affairs officer in the pharmaceutical industry is crucial for ensuring compliance with regulations and guidelines set by regulatory authorities. Here is a list of duties, job description, and responsibilities typically associated with the position. 1. Regulatory compliance. Ensuring compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and guidelines related to drug development, manufacturing, labeling, and distribution. 2. Regulatory submissions. Preparing and submitting regulatory documents to regulatory authorities, such as the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) or European Medicines Agency (EMA) or DRAP Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan, etc. This includes applications for clinical trials, marketing authorizations, and post-approval variations. 3. Documentation management. Maintaining and organizing regulatory documentation, including drug master files, regulatory dossiers, and technical files, ensuring their accuracy, completeness, and accessibility. 4. Product registration. Coordinating and managing the registration process for new pharmaceutical products or variations of existing products in different regions or countries. This may involve gathering data, preparing registration dossiers, and interacting with regulatory authorities. 5. Regulatory strategy. Developing and implementing regulatory strategies to facilitate the timely approval of new drug applications and to support the life cycle management of approved products. This involves staying updated with regulatory changes and guidelines to ensure compliance. 6. Labeling and packaging compliance. Collaborating with cross-functional teams to ensure accurate and compliant labeling and packaging of pharmaceutical products, including reviewing and approving labeling content, artwork, and promotional materials. 7. Pharmacovigilance. Contributing to the establishment and maintenance of pharmacovigilance systems to monitor the safety and efficacy of marketed pharmaceutical products. This includes assessing adverse event reports and implementing appropriate actions as per regulatory requirements. 8. Regulatory intelligence. Monitoring and analyzing regulatory developments, guidelines, and industry trends to keep the organization informed of regulatory changes that may impact product development, registration, or compliance. 9. Cross-functional collaboration. Collaborating with various internal departments, such as research and development, quality assurance, clinical operations, and manufacturing, to ensure regulatory requirements are met throughout the product lifecycle. 10. Regulatory audits and inspections. Assisting in the preparation and management of regulatory audits and inspections by regulatory authorities, providing requested documentation and addressing any findings or observations. 11. Training and education. Providing training and guidance to internal stakeholders on regulatory requirements, procedures, and best practices to ensure a strong culture of compliance within the organization. These duties, job description, and responsibilities may vary depending on the size of the organization, specific regulations in different regions, and the stage of product development and commercialization. Regulatory affairs officers play a vital role in navigating the complex regulatory landscape to ensure pharmaceutical products meet regulatory standards and are safe and effective for patients. 12. As research pharmacist. A research pharmacist is a highly specialized professional who is involved in conducting and facilitating pharmaceutical research studies. Their duties, job description, and responsibilities may vary depending on the specific research setting, but here are some common aspects. 1. Research design and planning. Research pharmacists collaborate with other researchers, scientists, and healthcare professionals to design and plan pharmaceutical research studies. They contribute their expertise in pharmaceuticals and drug development to ensure the study is well designed, feasible, and scientifically rigorous. 2. Literature review. Research pharmacists conduct extensive literature reviews to gather existing knowledge and evidence related to the research topic. They stay updated with the latest advancements and ensure their research builds upon previous findings. 3. Protocol development. Research pharmacists assist in the development of research protocols, which outline the objectives, methods, inclusion-exclusion criteria, and ethical considerations of the study. They ensure that the protocol adheres to relevant regulations, guidelines, and ethical standards. 4. Investigational drug management. In clinical trials and other research studies involving investigational drugs, research pharmacists play a crucial role in drug management. They oversee the procurement, storage, handling, and dispensing of investigational drugs, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and good clinical practices. 5. Participant recruitment and informed consent. Research pharmacists contribute to participant recruitment by assessing eligibility criteria, explaining the study to potential participants, obtaining informed consent, and ensuring participant safety and welfare throughout the study. 6. Data collection and analysis. Research pharmacists are responsible for collecting, organizing, and analyzing data obtained during the research study. They may employ various statistical and analytical methods to interpret the results accurately. 7. Adverse event monitoring. Research pharmacists closely monitor participants for any adverse events or side effects related to the investigational drugs being studied. They promptly report any adverse events to the relevant authorities and ensure appropriate measures are taken to safeguard participant safety. 8. Regulatory compliance. Research pharmacists must have a thorough understanding of relevant regulations and guidelines governing pharmaceutical research. They ensure compliance with local, national, and international regulations, ethical standards, and good clinical practice guidelines. 9. Collaboration and communication. Research pharmacists collaborate with interdisciplinary teams, including physicians, nurses, statisticians, and regulatory authorities. They communicate research findings, progress, and challenges effectively to ensure smooth coordination and dissemination of information. 10. Documentation and reporting. Research pharmacists maintain accurate and comprehensive documentation of the research study, including study protocols, informed consent forms, data collection forms, and adverse event reports. They prepare reports and contribute to scientific publications and presentations. It's important to note that the specific responsibilities of research pharmacists can vary based on the nature of the research, such as preclinical research, clinical trials, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics studies, or pharmaceutical industry research. 13. As academic pharmacist. An academic pharmacist plays a crucial role in the field of pharmacy education and research. Their duties, job description, and responsibilities may vary depending on the specific institution and their position within it. However, here are some common duties and responsibilities of an academic pharmacist. 1. Teaching. Academic pharmacists are responsible for delivering lectures, conducting laboratory sessions, and facilitating discussions to educate pharmacy students and other healthcare professionals about various aspects of pharmacy practice, including drug discovery, drug delivery systems, pharmacology, pharmacotherapy, and pharmacy management. 2. Curriculum development. They contribute to the development, review, and update of the pharmacy curriculum to ensure it reflects the latest advancements and aligns with educational standards. This includes designing and implementing innovative teaching methods, assessment strategies, and learning materials. 3. Research and scholarship. Academic pharmacists are expected to engage in research activities to expand the knowledge and evidence base of pharmacy practice. They may initiate and lead research projects, collaborate with other researchers, publish scientific papers, and present findings at conferences. This helps advance the field of pharmacy and contributes to evidence-based practice. 4. Mentoring and advising. They provide guidance and mentorship to pharmacy students, residents, and early career pharmacists. This includes advising students on course selection, career paths, and research opportunities, as well as offering support and feedback on research projects. 5. Professional development. Academic pharmacists stay updated with advancements in pharmacy practice, research, and education by attending conferences, workshops, and continuing education programs. They actively participate in professional organizations and may hold leadership positions to contribute to the growth and development of the pharmacy profession. 6. Service and engagement. They actively participate in committees and professional organizations within the institution and the broader pharmacy community. This involvement may include serving on academic committees, contributing to accreditation processes, participating in community outreach programs, and collaborating with healthcare organizations to improve patient care. 7. Administrative responsibilities. Depending on their position, academic pharmacists may have administrative duties, such as coordinating pharmacy programs, managing budgets, evaluating faculty performance, and contributing to strategic planning and policy development within the institution. 8. Clinical practice. Some academic pharmacists may have a concurrent clinical practice, where they provide direct patient care, contribute to interprofessional healthcare teams, and serve as preceptors for pharmacy students and residents. It's important to note that the specific duties and responsibilities may vary based on the academic setting, the level of the academic pharmacist, e.g., assistant professor, associate professor, professor, and individual expertise and interests. 14. As consultant pharmacist. A consultant pharmacist is a specialized healthcare professional who provides expert pharmaceutical advice and services in various settings. Their primary role is to optimize patient outcomes through the safe and effective use of medications. Here are some typical duties, job descriptions, and responsibilities of a consultant pharmacist. 1. Medication review. Conduct comprehensive medication reviews for individual patients or groups to assess medication appropriateness, efficacy, safety, and adherence. This involves evaluating medication regimens, identifying drug-related problems, and making recommendations for improvement. 2. Clinical consultation. Provide clinical consultation and collaborate with healthcare teams, including physicians, nurses, and other allied healthcare professionals, to optimize medication therapy and patient care. They offer expertise on drug selection, dosing, interactions, and monitoring. 3. Medication management. Develop and implement medication management strategies, protocols, and guidelines to ensure safe and effective use of medications. This may involve developing formularies, drug utilization reviews, and implementing medication safety initiatives. 4. Patient education. Educate patients, caregivers, and healthcare professionals on appropriate medication use, potential side effects, drug interactions, and proper administration techniques. Consultant pharmacists play a crucial role in improving patient adherence to medication regimens and promoting health literacy. 5. Quality improvement. Participate in quality improvement initiatives and medication safety programs to enhance patient care outcomes. They may conduct audits, analyze medication-related incidents, and provide recommendations for system improvements. 6. Policy development. Contribute to the development of medication-related policies, guidelines, and protocols within healthcare organizations. They ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements and promote evidence-based practice in medication management. 7. Training and education. Provide training and education to pharmacy staff, healthcare professionals, and students on medication-related topics. This includes delivering lectures, conducting workshops, and facilitating continuing education programs. 8. Research and evaluation. Conduct research studies, clinical trials, or outcomes evaluations related to medication therapy management. Consultant pharmacists may contribute to research projects, publish findings, and stay updated on emerging trends and advancements in the field. 9. Drug information services. Provide drug information and respond to inquiries from healthcare professionals, patients, and regulatory authorities. They stay current with drug information resources and ensure accurate and timely communication of drug-related information. 10. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and accreditation standards related to medication use and pharmacy practice. Consultant pharmacists may participate in medication-related audits and inspections. These duties may vary depending on the specific setting and context in which a consultant pharmacist works, such as hospitals, long-term care facilities, community pharmacies, managed care organizations, or consulting firms. 15. As drug inspector or drug regulators. As a pharmacist working as a drug inspector or in drug regulatory affairs, your duties, job description, and responsibilities may include the following. 1. Ensuring compliance. You will be responsible for enforcing and ensuring compliance with relevant drug laws, regulations, and guidelines. This involves conducting inspections, audits, and investigations to ensure that pharmaceutical manufacturers, distributors, and retailers comply with the established standards. 2. Quality control. You will review and assess the quality control measures implemented by drug manufacturing facilities to ensure that the products meet the required safety, efficacy, and quality standards. This includes evaluating manufacturing processes, testing procedures, and batch records. 3. Adverse event monitoring. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions and events is an essential part of drug regulatory activities. You will collect, analyze, and assess data related to adverse events reported by healthcare professionals, patients, and other sources to ensure patient safety. 4. Registration and licensing. You will be involved in the registration and licensing process of pharmaceutical products. This includes reviewing and evaluating applications for drug registration, assessing their safety and efficacy profiles, and making recommendations for approval or rejection. 5. Labeling and packaging compliance. Ensuring that drug labels and packaging comply with regulatory requirements and guidelines is crucial for patient safety. You will review and evaluate labeling and packaging materials to ensure accurate information, proper storage conditions, and compliance with relevant regulations. 6. Pharmacovigilance. You will contribute to pharmacovigilance activities by monitoring and assessing the safety and effectiveness of marketed drugs. This involves evaluating post-marketing surveillance data, analyzing trends, and taking appropriate actions to mitigate risks associated with pharmaceutical products. 7. Policy development. Participating in the development and implementation of drug-related policies and regulations is an important aspect of your role. You may be involved in drafting guidelines, providing input on regulatory frameworks, and assisting in the formulation of drug-related policies. 8. Collaboration and communication. Collaborating with other regulatory authorities, healthcare professionals, industry stakeholders, and international organizations is necessary for effective drug regulation. You will communicate with various stakeholders, provide guidance on regulatory matters, and address inquiries and concerns related to drug safety and regulatory compliance. 9. Training and education. As a drug inspector or regulatory pharmacist, you may be responsible for conducting training programs and educational initiatives for healthcare professionals, industry personnel, and the public. This helps disseminate information on drug safety, regulatory requirements, and proper use of pharmaceutical products. 10. Stay updated. Keeping abreast of the latest developments, advancements, and changes in drug regulations, guidelines, and pharmacovigilance practices is essential. Continuous professional development through attending conferences, workshops, and staying informed about emerging trends in the pharmaceutical industry is crucial in this role. Please note that specific duties and responsibilities may vary depending on the country and regulatory authority where you work as a pharmacist in drug inspection or drug regulatory affairs. 16. Drug Distribution Center Pharmacist. A pharmacist at a drug distribution center plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe and efficient distribution of medications. Their duties, job description, and responsibilities typically include 1. Medication dispensing. Dispensing medications accurately and efficiently based on prescriptions received from healthcare professionals or authorized personnel. 2. Quality control. Verifying the accuracy of medication orders and ensuring that the dispensed medications meet quality standards and regulatory requirements. 3. Inventory management. Maintaining an accurate inventory of medications, tracking expiration dates, and restocking as needed to ensure an adequate supply of medications. 4. Order processing. Processing medication orders received from healthcare facilities, pharmacies, or other customers, ensuring timely and accurate fulfillment. 5. Labeling and packaging. Properly labeling and packaging medications according to regulatory guidelines and specific customer requirements. 6. Product safety. Ensuring the safe handling and storage of medications to maintain their efficacy and prevent contamination or damage. 7. Regulatory compliance. Adhering to all applicable laws, regulations, and guidelines related to medication distribution, including controlled substances regulations. 8. Quality assurance. Participating in quality assurance programs to ensure the accuracy, safety, and quality of the medications dispensed. 9. Documentation and record keeping. Maintaining accurate records of medication dispensing, inventory management, and other relevant documentation is required by regulatory bodies. 10. Customer service. Providing information and guidance to healthcare professionals, patients, and other customers regarding medication use, potential side effects, and proper storage and handling. 11. Collaborating with healthcare professionals. Collaborating with pharmacists, physicians, and other healthcare professionals to address medication-related issues, provide medication therapy management, and ensure optimal patient outcomes. 12. Continuous education. Staying updated with the latest developments in pharmaceuticals, new medications, drug interactions, and emerging therapies through continuing education and professional development activities. 13. Adverse event reporting. Recognizing and reporting adverse drug reactions or other medication-related incidents to the appropriate regulatory agencies as per guidelines. 14. Technology utilization. Utilizing pharmacy automation systems, computerized inventory management systems, and other technologies to enhance efficiency and accuracy in medication distribution. 15. Training and supervision. Providing guidance and supervision to pharmacy technicians and other support staff, ensuring adherence to standard operating procedures and maintaining a safe working environment. It's important to note that the specific duties and responsibilities of a pharmacist at a drug distribution center may vary depending on the size and scope of the facility, local regulations, and organizational policies. 17. Pharmacist at medical device sale points. As a pharmacist working at a medical device sales point, your duties, job description, and responsibilities may include the following. 1. Product knowledge. You will need to have a deep understanding of the medical devices being sold at the point of sale. This includes knowledge of their indications, usage, contraindications, and potential side effects. It's important to stay updated on new devices and advancements in the field. 2. Customer assistance. You will provide guidance and assistance to customers who visit the medical device sales point. This involves answering their questions, providing recommendations based on their needs, and explaining the proper usage and maintenance of the devices. 3. Product selection. Based on the customer's requirements and specifications, you will help them select the appropriate medical device. This may involve assessing their medical condition, taking into account any specific limitations or preferences, and recommending suitable options. 4. Prescription processing. If certain medical devices require a prescription, you will verify and process prescriptions from customers, ensuring they are valid and complete. You may need to liaise with healthcare professionals to clarify any prescription-related issues. 5. Product dispensing. You will be responsible for accurately dispensing medical devices to customers. This involves maintaining proper inventory levels, checking the expiration dates of products, and ensuring that customers receive the correct devices as per their prescriptions or requirements. 6. Patient education. In addition to assisting customers, you will provide education and training on the correct usage, maintenance, and storage of medical devices. This includes explaining any necessary precautions, potential risks, and troubleshooting methods. 7. Regulatory compliance. You must adhere to all relevant laws, regulations, and guidelines related to the sale and dispensing of medical devices. This includes maintaining proper records, managing controlled substances, if applicable, and following privacy and confidentiality protocols. 8. Collaboration. You may collaborate with other healthcare professionals, such as physicians, nurses, and technicians, to ensure seamless patient care. This may involve sharing information, discussing patient needs, and coordinating services. 9. Product promotion. You may be responsible for promoting and marketing medical devices at the point of sale. This could include providing product demonstrations, conducting training sessions, and participating in educational events. 10. Quality assurance. You will ensure that the medical devices being sold meet quality standards and regulatory requirements. This may involve conducting quality checks, reporting any defects or issues, and working with manufacturers or suppliers to resolve problems. It's important to note that the specific duties and responsibilities can vary depending on the organization and the scope of the role. However, these general responsibilities provide a framework for the role of a pharmacist at a medical device sales point. Prepared by Dr. Abdul Majid Body Pharmacist. Pharm-D, M.Phil, LLB. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacists Association, Punjab. WhatsApp contact number 0321404236, 033143322515. Thank you.